Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix SIM card not detected after update in Samsung Galaxy S24. If you're using Galaxy S24 and you're facing the issue that once you updated your phone, your SIM cards are not detecting here in this section. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to go to settings, scroll down, go to software update, make sure that you have to date. You might have an independent software update here because sometimes due to some errors your updates not works properly, so you have to recheck for software updates. Once you're up to date, you just have to go back from here and you can try to make a restart with your device. Just scroll down, click on this power icon here, click on restart, and then click on this to restart your phone. After a restart, it might fix some software glitches, so your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to then put out your SIM card and then clean and then insert them again. So sometimes it might fix your issue because in updates section your SIM cards are overheated and they got damaged, or sometimes they got stuck. So you just have to put them out, clean them, and then reinsert in your phone. After reinsertion, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings, and in settings just go to general management, go to reset, and click on reset mobile network settings. Select your sim 1 or sim 2 which is not detecting. If you are facing this issue with your both of sims, so very first you can do this for your sim 1 and then select sim 2, then click on reset settings, click on reset, and your network setting will be reset. After resetting your network setting, you can retry to make a restart, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.